This ad you are watching now is made entirely by Claude, and not only this, it also gave me this complete ready to use brand campaign, all from a single prompt. Up until recently, this wasn't even possible, but now it is. And in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can do it too. So here you can see I'm inside my Claude, and from here we'll start the work. Important to mention here, in here I'm using the Claude desktop application. If you want, you can also continue that through the browser. So here our first task will be, we'll just give our product image, and Claude don't have any video generation tool of itself. So that's why it can't directly generate the video. So instead, it will just give us a prompt, and then we'll convert that prompt to a video by using Seedance 2.0. So to upload the image, in here I'll go with plus, and then I'll go with add files or photos. And here let me go with this energy drink. So here you can see we just uploaded this simple product image, and now I will just activate a skill, which skill I made to do this task. Basically the skill will give us the prompt, and also it will give us the complete ad campaign. So no worries, I'll show you exactly how I made the skill. I'll describe you the skill in front of you, but now let me just activate the skill just by typing here /product ad campaign. So you can see there's a skill in here. I'll just select that, and now I'll go with send. And here I forget to mention that I'm using the Opus 4.8 because Claude Fable 5 is currently unavailable. So here you can see it started the work, and it's saying me I'll start by reading the skill to build this properly. And it's saying that I've got the full energy drink, and here it asking me some questions. So basically it will ask me 4 questions. The first question will be like what kind of video ad I want. The second question will be like duration, how will be the duration of the video. The third question will be how will be the aspect ratio of that video. Do you want a horizontal video or like a vertical video? And the last question will be which social media platform I want to target for that ad campaign. And here let's answer the first question. It's saying me what ad format do you want for that full campaign. So let me just go with a TV spot type, and now it's asking me the second question, how long should the ad will be. Do you want to go with like 6 seconds, 8 seconds, 10 seconds, or 15 seconds? And here also if I want, I can give my own recommendation, like I want 11-second video, something like this thing. So let's go with a 15 seconds video. And now it's preparing the third question. I guess it will be the aspect ratio. Okay, it's asking me what is the aspect ratio. Do you want to go with a vertical shape or like a horizontal shape? So let's go with like, we want to target the YouTube. So for that, we'll go with a horizontal shape video. And now it will ask me the platform where I specifically want to run that ad. So let's select YouTube, and also if I want, I can select multiple social media platforms at once, but let me go with only YouTube this time, and then I'll go with send. So now as you can see that it started the work. So based on my answers, it will first of all create the prompt, and then it will create the complete ad campaign. So it already given me the prompt, and also it has created the complete ad campaign. And let me show you the ad campaign in here. As you can see, it's looking really insane, and let me just make that big for you guys. So here's the ad campaign kit for Black Rockville Charge Clean, and we just drag a little bit. Here you can see here's the product analysis. Awesome, you can see that how beautiful it is. Just kind of like find out all the information just from the image. Even I'm not sure that this product is real or not. I just downloaded the product image from Pinterest, and that's it. And here you can see it has also find out that the standout features and all of the information. I think it got that from here. You can see that even the image in here, it's not perfect. It's a little bit blurry, as you can see that, but it find out these informations like it's 300 something milliliter, and it's adding that in here. And here's the next page, which is the brand signature, the statement, and also you can see that like it find out the target audience. And if I just drag down a little bit, here you can see the approach in here. In here we want to generate the TV spot, so that's why the format will be TV spot, and that's the creative angle for that. And here's the Seedance 2.0 prompt, which is ready to use. Only have to just like copy that, and then I have to just put that inside Seedance 2.0. So if you don't have the Seedance 2.0, that's the base model right now for video generation. Even you can generate 4K videos inside this model, and which is insane. And I think this is the only one model that can give you 4K resolution videos. And for the brands, a good quality video is so much important. So that's why in here we are using the Seedance 2.0 so that we can generate 4K resolution videos. And if I drag down, you can see that here's the platform playback. We choose YouTube. So based on the YouTube, it has given the complete ad campaign, the hooks in here, the caption in here, the call to action, the hashtags. If I drag down again, here you can see it's actually giving us the complete optimization playbook, make it perform, and here's the 6 steps. The best thing, if you notice that or not, I'm not sure, that the brand signature color. Okay, if I just come like show the product, you can see the product color is like this, and the PDF exactly match the color of that brand. So now let's go with the most important thing, which is the video generation, because in here we have to see that what kind of video this prompt exactly give us. So for that, let me just go back to the prompt, and here you can see there's the prompt in here, and the best part of this prompt is it's one-shotted. It's mean it's ready to use. Only you have to just copy that and paste that inside the Seedance 2.0, and that's all it is. And again, in here I'm mentioning the Seedance 2.0. If you want to use another AI model, obviously you can use that. So only have to just copy that. And no worries if you want to tweak that. For example, after reading that prompt, if you think, you know what, it's not going you exactly how you want the prompt, you can just say to Claude, I don't want the prompt in this exact way, just make sure that it follows in that way. So after that, it will just regenerate the prompt for you. So let me just kind of like go to the Seedance 2.0, and in here to use the Seedance 2.0, I'm using Higgsfield, because through Higgsfield right now we can generate 4K videos inside Seedance 2.0, and I've given the link of this website in my description. So let me just go with Seedance 2.0. So here first of all we have to give the product image. So let me go with upload media, and then I'll choose the exact product image that I given to Claude. So in this case, which is this one, and let me just upload that inside the Higgsfield just by going to upload media, and here's the product image. Let me just go with open, and after that we have to give the prompt. And for the prompt, we have to give the exact prompt that Claude has given us. So for that, let me go back to the Claude, and here I'll just copy the exact prompt, which is this one. I'll just go with copy, and then I'll go back to Higgsfield, and in this exact place I'll just paste that. And now we have to choose the duration. So make sure that you choose the exact duration, the duration you choose inside Claude. So in this case we'll go with 15 seconds because that's what I chose. And now we have to choose the aspect ratio. So I had chosen 6:9 ratio, which is the horizontal video. And now let me go with generate. So now you can see that the video generation started, and in this meantime let me share the skill that I'm using inside the Claude, and which is the main part of this video. By the way guys, if you're really interested to learn more about AI, then you can join my private community, the Hello AI. Inside there you'll get access to all of my premium level lessons, ready-made templates, workflows, AI agents, and not only this, we do live session call every week where you can join and ask me anything they are live. And as a community member while learning, or if you get stuck anywhere, you'll get direct support from us. So if you're really interested to join in a community where you can learn how you can implement AI in your business, or if you want to start a business through AI, and if you need step-by-step guidance, you need someone who will guide you throughout the whole process, then you can join this community, and the link has been given in the description. So back to my Claude, in here you can see that we had given the product image, and then I mentioned this exact name. So that's the name of the skill. So if I just open that, here you can see there's a skill in front of you. So basically the skill will work in a very simple process. So first of all, the user have to give the product image, and then the user have to say something that will activate the skill. So in this case, the activation command is /product add campaign, and that's what I typed. And after that, what's going to happen, it will ask 4 questions from the user, and in this meantime also it will analyze the product, what kind of product user had given to that, so that it can understand the brand tune and kind of like this thing. So the 4 questions will be, the first one, what kind of ad format the user want, the second one, the aspect ratio, the third one is the duration, the fourth one is the social media platform, like in which social media platform the user want like to run that ad campaign. And after that it gives the prompt and also the complete ad campaign. So here I actually added 9 type of ad format. If I just kind of like drag down a little bit, here you can see that the 9 ad formats. So from these ad formats, I have to choose one of the ad formats, and let me just save that. These are the most popular ad formats right now for any kind of products. You can see I can generate UGC type of ads. I can generate like tutorial style, unboxing style, hypermotion style, product review style, TV spot style, wildcard style, and UGC virtual try-on style, and also pro virtual try-on style. And also these 9 formats works very well with Seedance 2.0, so that's why I'm going with these things. And here's the output format, like how it have to just give me the output. First of all, it will just give me the ad format name, then the tagline, then it will just give me the character, and then it will just give me the prompt. And the part B is the luxury campaign PDF, that's I already told you. So basically it will write the complete ad campaign in a JSON format, then it will just convert that to a beautiful luxurious look PDF. And at the last, I added the embedded builder script, which will be used to build the complete PDF, like where will be the images, where will be like which sections, in which pages it have to add what. So as you saw that the PDF was very professional maintained, and every ad campaign PDF that will generate will follow this exact framework. And lastly, I set some strict rules which will be followed by Claude so that it can avoid some mistakes, because it's an AI model and obviously it have to go through some certain perspective based on me. So that's why I added some strict rules. So if you're wondering that how you can make a skill like this, the easiest way will be just ask Claude to make a skill in this way. Like how I described you the whole thing, how I made this skill, how the skill have to run, how the skill will work. So you only have to just say the same kind of thing to Claude, and then you have to say that make a skill based on that, and it will do that for you. And make sure that before creating the skill, you have added the skill creator skill inside the Claude. So if you just go in the skill section, and then if you go in the browse skills, and then if you type here skill, you will see that there's a skill called skill creator. So that's very important for Claude, so that it can create better skills. So make sure that you just install that, and after that you create that skill, so the skill will create will be so much better. And if you don't want to create the skill by yourself, instead you want to use this exact skill that I'm using here. I had added the skill inside the Hello AI community. So after joining in this community, if you go in the classroom section, and then if you go in the skill section, you'll get this exact skill named as product ad campaign skill, and here's a simple description. And make sure that you just go in the resources section, and then if you go with get this skill, and just download the skill in your device. So after downloading this skill in your device, you simply have to go to Claude again, and here you have to go to the customize section from here, and then you have to go to the skills section. As you can see, I'm already in the skills, and then go with add, then go with create skill, then go with upload a skill, and here you simply have to upload the skill that you downloaded from the community. So after uploading the skill, you'll see that the product ad campaign has been activated in your Claude, and make sure that that's enabled in here. So after that, every time if you just upload your product image, and then if you type there /product ad campaign, this skill will be activated, and it will give you the complete ready to use prompt, and also it will give you a complete professional and luxurious looking ad campaign PDF. So now let's go back to our Higgsfield to see the video ad. So here's our video ad, it's ready, and let me just play that for you.
Energy you can actually defend. Certified organic, real voltage.
So this ad is really good. So what if you want to make an other type of ad format for this exact product. So for that, let me just go to the Claude again. So as you can see, we're in the same session, and now let me say that instead of going with like TV spot type, because we already choose a TV spot, let's go with a hypermotion video ad. But this time don't need to generate the ad campaign, because I already showed you how the ad campaign looks like. So as you can see here, I said just give me the prompt only for 10-second video, and that will be in hypermotion type, and the ratio will be 6:9. And here you can see here's the prompt in here. Again, as like the previous one, I have to just copy that, and then I'll go back to the Higgsfield, and now I'll just kind of like remove the previous one like this, and here in this exact place I'll just paste that, and in the place of duration I'll just go with 10-second video, because this time I choose 10-second, and I'll not change anything. I'll just go with generate right now. So the generation right now is processing, and soon we'll get the video. So the generation is complete, and let me just play that for you. It's really insane. So that's how you can use Claude to generate complete ready to use one-shotted video prompt, and also to generate a professional looking and a luxurious product campaign kit. So that was the whole video. I hope that you liked that. If yes, then please drop a like, and if you're new in this channel, please subscribe, and as like always, see you in the new video guys. Till then, peace.